This is how you make Lechon Paksiw. You want to start off by cutting out chunks of meat and skin from your leftover lechon. Do this until you think you have enough. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, in a hot pan, sauté garlic. And onion, until brown. Once it browns, pour in your lechon meat. Mix well with your garlic and onion for about 5 minutes. Once your pork looks like this, add a new pepper, along with salt. Continue mixing everything together. After about 5 minutes, pour in your vinegar. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Afterwards, pour in your main hummus. Thoroughly mix everything together. Lastly, add in some chilies. And that is how you make our delicious Lechon Paksiw.
Yum! So delicious. Thanks for watching.